There she is.
What in the world do we have here? Hooked behind the quadristeer. Can you explain this?
I just made a possible huge mistake or a brilliant idea.
We got it home. As you can see, we got the awning up because it was raining. Let's scoot inside here. Oh, hello.
Well, hello.
We got Scout in here already. We got Jessica. She's having a drink. So
5 o'clock here.
somewhere. So what's the plans for this deal?
So
This is Jessica's adventure.
This is you can't take over.
Well, I'm helping, but
You can help. You cannot take over.
okay,
We're
we'll see.
not getting...
So apparently I'm not allowed to have any design input on this, but Scout has already made himself at home. The very first thing he did was jump up on that couch.
Yeah. Which is leaving.
We'll see. Anyway, the slides out, of course. We'll come back over here. It's kind of, I probably should change the aspect ratio of the GoPro here, but as you can see, it's pretty roomy. It's a 2014 Jayco Eagle travel trailer. It is a 34-foot. Not bad shaped. It's definitely not immaculate, but that's what we wanted. The price was down a little bit because it does need a couple things. The very first thing you can notice is it does need new flooring. There's some spots in the vinyl here, but overall structurally I did check this out. I went up on the roof, all that looks good. Underneath looks good. We've had it here. I got it plugged in, water in. There's Scout up on the couch again. So let's go back to Jessica now and tell us your plans. So Jessica's been dying to get into renovating, and we did need a camper for a couple things this summer. So
Yes.
take it away, Jess.
Take it away. So we've been looking for over a year used and considered new, but didn't want to spend that type of money yet. They are hard to come by, so we finally found one Tuesday.
Yeah, this year in particular, with the virus, the pandemic, and then shortages of every sort. It's Scout approved, I can tell you that already. So with shortage of every sort, whether it's materials to build these things. Anyway, we just decided against a brand new one at this point. We did find this used one, and like I said, Jessica has been dying to get into renovating. She's been researching this quite a bit.
Yes. By research, we mean Google and Instagram.
Well, that's research.
That's research. So, first things first, we're ripping out the floor. All that carpet's going, all the vinyl's going throughout, and replacing with new vinyl, like the plank looking vinyl.
Chances are we'll do like a hardwood plank vinyl flooring for the same thing they use in most of the RVs. It's waterproof and extremely durable.
And flexible.
Flexible, yes.
All these hideous balances are leaving. A lot of the blinds, well, this one's broken, but they're going to get replaced. That's all leaving. All of this, all the walls, all the ceiling is getting painted. So that's going to be a huge undertaking because that all needs sanded, primed, and I'm still researching the best to use for that. So all this gets painted white. I'm on the fence about painting the cabinets because they're supposed to be kind of a nightmare to do because of the sanding, and they still look really good.
Yeah.
So once I get everything painted, stripped down, then I'll make the decision on the cabinets or not. I'm going to do a backsplash of some sort. Here, this is just ugly wallpaper.
You know anything about campers? They build these things as light as possible with still, you know, as decent materials as they can, but making them light as possible. And a lot of places they skimp is like backsplash. So this is actually just wallpaper. It resembles somewhat backsplashing, but we'll pull that off and we will do a proper backsplash.
Yeah. Countertop stays because that's in good shape. And I like the way it looks.
Yeah, it's a solid surface, so it's
nice.
good.
So that stays. This is maybe going and being replaced with like plank wood.
All this, what she's pointing at right now, is the slide. I think this is considered a super slide. All that slides out, and we're gonna start with, we've went over this a little bit, so we're gonna start with painting this, see how that comes out. If not, we'll pull this trim off and do something custom. But
so all new window treatments over there. That's all leaving. This is I'm redoing this, sanding it down and painting it. 2 of these chairs are leaving because we don't need them. Well, maybe we do. He's gonna sit through. So I am going to strip these down. Oh, there it goes.
Yeah, they're hinged.
I didn't know this had storage in it.
Mm-hmm. They're all hinged.
Oh, wow.
Any camper, they pile as much storage as they possibly
cool.
can.
I didn't know that. Okay, well that's fun. So this is, I'm reupholstering all of this myself because I know how to do that. Sanding these down and repainting these white because I know how to do that too. This is supposed to leave and I'm supposed to buy a new one.
So this is the convertible sofa, or the sleeper sofa, whatever you want to call it. It folds down into a bed. This is considered kind of a couple's camper because there's 1 bedroom and this is the 2nd bed. So some of these blinds are supposed to be lift up, stay up. Some of them work, some of them don't. Like this one, for instance, works perfectly fine. Some of the other ones don't. We'll get into that.
I'm replacing that. That's ugly.
Okay.
So, still
moving our way back. So all this is decent. All of this actually does work.
This is going away. That's really ugly. This is all getting painted white. The bathroom.
If you guys have any design ideas, what was that?
I ran to the toilet.
Oh. So if you guys have any design ideas, we're definitely open to suggestions. This is the first time.
Yeah, first camper reno. This is, okay, so this is good. That stays, it gets painted. This is leaving. I don't like it. I will do something else for storage. This is leaving. This is leaving.
So the vanity's staying. The top and the
fixtures
sink is going.
So
the plan here is to make it look a lot more residential, kind of like a tiny house.
Yeah, like a tiny house. And I've seen ideas. They do like a cool looking wallpaper that looks like tile. So that I might do that here.
Yeah, we're not sure on all the materials yet. We'll figure that out as we go.
And then this ugly,
this is the second slide. So this is a pass through into the bedroom. It does have again a slide, so this is a linen closet, a lot of storage, and then into the bedroom this is a pocket door. If I can pull this off, yeah. So this closes off the bathroom from the bedroom, of course, and to keep that in place while you're going down the road is a snap. So into the bedroom now. We can turn on some lights. All right, we have lights. So queen bed, and I don't think we're doing a ton in here.
No.
Scout makes himself right at home.
Jim.
So I don't think we're changing a ton in here, but obviously some painting.
Is that speakers?
That's speakers, yes. Oh, okay. We're still learning it as we go.
So this is leaving, same as the others. All this gets painted again. Again, I don't know what I'm doing with the cabinets yet.
It's a queen size bed.
That all is going to be painted, and then I'm going to have all new everything in there, obviously.
And there is storage under the bed. You got to grab the board. It's on a strut. So there is a nice storage spot here, and we did discover
a mystery box.
That is a mystery box. It's actually never been opened from what I can see. It looks factory sealed.
Are we opening it right now?
We can open it right now. Let's get it out so we have more room though.
And a space heater.
Well, that's the pass-through, so that we did inherit some stuff. There is a space heater and some other stuff. So let's get this bed back down. All right, so Jessica has the mystery box, and there is another door to access the bedroom. So we'll go on out through there. And this takes us right back around the main loop, right back where we came from. All right, so there literally could be anything in here. So if you don't ever see the contents, that means it was something that's not not too good.
Not YouTube approved.
Yeah, well, whatever.
Yeah,
so we're going to go ahead and open this up. You want the razor blade?
I hope it's the exact amount of what we paid for it.
Yeah, I highly doubt it. But... the suspense is killing me. Scout too. Don't peek.
Oh.
You gotta show us.
It's a water hose.
Water, okay, we can use that.
And
So
wait, is this the pump that was Tossin's?
that's
deodorant.
That's the for the septic stuff. So apparently they made a
Drain hose.
Yeah, we need that too. I saw we were missing that.
Yay.
So apparently they were just missing a bunch of stuff, and they made an order, and they never opened it. So
A clamp. Oh wow!
so we got a bunch of
I don't know what that is.
spare parts. We'll have to figure out what some of it is. An adapter,
And
toilet paper.
toilet paper.
Nice.
That's all.
All right, so with the mystery box out of the way, that was a nice surprise. Not it could have been better, but it's stuff we can use for the camper. So with that being said, this is our new project, a new direction. We are going to camp in this a couple times, I believe.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes?
At least once.
Okay. And yeah, we're going to do a small renovation. This thing is in pretty good shape. Like I said, structurally it's sound. It actually looks good. You could do just a couple very minor things and go camping today, but we are going to try and improve the look some. And Jessica's
we
got...
can go boondocking in our own driveway.
I don't know what boondocking is.
It's where you don't hook up to anything. You just sleep in it. We should get solar panels.
Yeah. We have a lot of ideas. So
first things first is just ripping out what's coming out.
yeah, so Jessica has a very good direction she wants to go with this. This chair, by the way, is super comfortable. When we immediately walked in there, she's like, that's going the first thing it's out of here. And then I sat in and I was like, wow, this is actually really nice. She sat in and she's like, huh. So the good thing about this chair, it's weighted so it stays moving down the road, but it's not bolted down. You can move this wherever you want. It is a recliner. It's in good shape. So we're probably going to end up keeping that now.
Probably so. I'll put a pillow on it.
So in a nutshell, that's what we're going to do. We're going to do a renovation. We're going to use this a couple of times, see how we like it. It's not going to be a forever. It's going to be kind of a renovate and flip project. But yeah, that's another direction we're going. And Jessica's pretty excited about it because she's been dying to get into this camper flipping.
Try it. Never hurts to try.
Yep.
So.
All right, guys, this is what we're doing for now. So she still thinks it's very funny me doing it.
I'm not.
She's not YouTuber. Usually around me filming myself.
So I'm very uncomfortable.
It is what it is. She'll get comfortable. She'll like it.
Yeah.
Thanks for stopping by. Have a good day.